Hi guys, how you doing? Right now I'm just doing a Walmart pickup, another one. I know I did one last week, but I'm doing another one. Yeah, we just got here. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I was supposed to pick it up from 12 to 1, but it is almost 1:20 right now, so hopefully it doesn't take too long to get my order. There's not a lot of cars here, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. Today, me and my sister are just gonna be, hello.
Hi everybody.
We're just gonna be running errands today and hanging out. My daughter is at her dad's house until tomorrow evening, so me and her are gonna be kicking it. And then what are we gonna do today? After we do Walmart pickup, I'm gonna go get Costco gas and then drop off the groceries. And then what are we doing after that? Going to get something to eat?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
What are you hungry for?
I'm hungry for... I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either. We'll figure it out. But if anybody was wondering, yes, this is my natural hair.
Sorry, you were talking. Maybe sushi. Maybe.
I can't eat anything raw though because I am breastfeeding, so maybe not.
They have rolls that are cooked. They deep fry them.
That is true. Okay, so the other day I started using this retinol product from Drunk Elephant that my sister gave me. And they said it's really strong. And I have noticed that I am dry right here. My skin is starting to peel. Like, that's what a retinol does. It, like, pretty much takes off the top layers of your skin so that you have glowy skin underneath. But, right? Isn't that what it's supposed to do?
Yeah.
For the most part. And I started peeling, like, under my nose, on the sides of my nose, and between my eyebrows, and a little bit above my lip.
No,
that's not my stuff. And I can feel it, like, when I wash my face in the morning, and then when I put on, like, certain moisturizers and things, it kind of stings. Like, my nose area is really raw, especially, like, on the sides right here. So, I mean, I think it's doing its job. I'm only supposed to use it once a week, so I'm going to start doing it every Sunday and see, like, you have to build up a tolerance to it. So, that's my plan, is to try to build up a tolerance to it and make it part of my regular skin regimen. I love Drunk Elephant products. I used to use, I haven't bought it because I want to be able to buy like the max size bottle of it. But what's that thing called? The framboise? Or it's the AHA BHA from Drunk Elephant.
Yeah, it's like a nightly resurfacing.
Yeah, that is like super good. It's bomb because I've never used a product where I actually feel like it's working and made a difference. So I know Drunk Elephant is expensive, but it's completely worth it in my opinion.
So worth it.
Okay, bye guys. Hi guys, how's it going? Just got back home from running a bunch of errands, and right now I'm just going to clean my kitchen. Look at all those dishes from last night. Insane. So I'm gonna be doing the dishes while watching YouTube videos, and then I think I'm gonna make myself something to eat. I'm doing laundry right now as well. I'm just pretty much prepping for my daughter to come home. I always do that the day before she comes home, just so that I have nothing to do or take care of while she's here with me. Hi guys, I know that it's really dim in here, really bad lighting. I really don't have good lighting in my room. I have that little lamp, and then I have that lamp over there, and that's it. But right now I'm just currently editing another video for YouTube. This time I am doing my what's in my diaper bag video. Doing that, and then I'm going to show you guys in a second what I got from Target and TJ Maxx Home Goods today. Where else did we go today? And yeah, I think that was it. I got a lot of stuff from my daughter. A few things for me, but mostly things for her. I can't help it, you guys. I was not even trying to spend money today, but I did. So anyways, I'll show you guys in a second what I got. Alright guys, so it is the next day, and I just want to show you guys quickly the little haul that I got yesterday. It was too dark to do it last night, so anyways. This is a dress that I got. It was $16.99 at TJ Maxx. I used to have the same exact dress. However, it was in a size small, and because I gained some mommy weight and now have a mommy tummy, I needed to get it in a size medium. I loved this dress, so I definitely wanted to repurchase it. There's pockets here. It's got buttons all the way down and a little tie here so it cinches the waist, and then the bottom is like a curved edge here and super cute. It's a little bit longer in the back too, which I really like. It's very flattering on me, so I picked that up. I also got this Mama Needs Wine sweatshirt from Target. My mom found it actually, because I told her actually the other day, it's so funny, I manifested this, but I told her I need more t-shirts and things that say mama or mom, and it was on sale for $12.59, so I definitely had to pick that up. I got it in an extra small because it is like a little bit on the baggier, slouchier side. I also got more Eucerin Baby. This is the wash and shampoo that Leilani uses. It's unscented, and I think it's tear-free. Yeah, tear-free, so that's good. I also picked this up at TJ Maxx for $9.99. It's just a little cutlery set. I really like the colors of it. It has a plate here. I needed to get her something that wouldn't make a loud noise or break. I only have glass plates, so when she starts doing baby-led weaning and eating more solids, I want to be able to put it in here. There's also a fork and a spoon here for her, and then a bib. So there's that. I also at Target got her these bunny sunglasses. I cannot wait to put these on her. So cute. I got this in the dollar spot. It was only $1, so. And then at Target also I got a high-waisted bikini bottom in black. I got it in a size large because, you know, mommy tummy and stretch marks now. I also got this one at Target as well. It's got a crisscross back right here, and then underwire, and then this ties in the back as well. I got it in a 34 double D. And then it also comes with, or it's actually, you have to pay for it separate. It's a high-waisted Hawaiian print bottom. I have to wear high-waisted now because of my mommy tummy. I will be going to Hawaii in August for my cousin's wedding, so I wanted to get something that was really cute. I'll be super tan, so white will look good. My tan lines are gonna look really weird because usually I wear like little tiny bikinis, but got a mommy body, so I just don't know how to dress my mommy body yet. So high-waisted bikinis it is. I also got her a pack of socks, and it was $5 for 6 pairs, and these are 3 to 12 months. I thought they were cute. They got little grippies too on the bottom. I got her this tutu for her 6-month birthday that's coming up real soon. I have a little outfit planned and everything, so it's cute. And it also has like this little thing here. It's like a soft, cushy pillow thing. I can only imagine she's gonna wanna like play with this. It's so cute. And then I got this. It's by Rae Dunn, $7.99. It's a whole set. It says I got it from my mama. And then the pants are super cute. It just has these little hearts. It's like one of those U-shaped sweats. Super cute. And it also comes with a matching headband. Had to pick this up. It won't fit her for very long because it's 6 to 9 months, but I had to get it. It was the biggest size that they had in that one. I also picked up at Target a new brow brush. I used to use the e.l.f. ones, but those are just not cutting it for me anymore. So I bought this one. This was only like $6. So I had to pick this one up. I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. And then the last thing that I got her is this cute little dress. It's got lemons and it's yellow. If you guys know me at all, I love the color yellow. It's such a happy color. And I love lemons too. It just screams like farmhouse to me. And it comes with a little headband as well and little diaper cover. So that is my haul. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, just curled my hair. I like to leave it like this and I'll brush it out later after it cools. But in the meantime, I'm pumping right now. I'm about to wash my makeup brushes. I want to show you guys what I use to wash my makeup brushes, just in case you might be looking for something different or new and relatively cheap. So this is what I use. It's the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Soap. I just got mine in almond. I think I got this at either Target or TJ Maxx. It's cheaper at TJ Maxx or Marshall's. Maybe I got it at Target. I honestly can't remember, but this thing is huge and it's lasted me years. So I'm going to show you guys the before of these two brushes, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after as well. Okay, so this is what the brushes look like after. They are completely clean, and it didn't even take me that long. This soap is so good and not that expensive either. And then if you buy something like this big, it will last you forever. And it also comes in different flavors, but this is just the one that I happen to pick up. Hi guys, right now I'm just making peas. There's peas and breast milk in here. I'm making my daughter's dinner, and then I'm gonna freeze whatever's left over.